These videos you are looking at right now are pulling in millions of views, generating thousands of dollars every single month. And here's the crazy part. No face, no camera, no personal brand, just AI and a system. One of these channels is making over $52,000 a month. Another one is quietly stacking millions of views, and every single one of them started from zero. But here's what nobody tells you. One of these niches is much easier than the others, and almost everyone ignores it. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly which one it is. In this video, I'm going to break down 10 faceless YouTube niches, where normal people are making more than a full-time income without showing their face, without expensive gear, and without being experts. But here's the truth. Most people fail on YouTube for one simple reason. They choose the wrong niche. Not because they're lazy, not because they are not smart, but because they start in the wrong place. And once you see this, everything changes. So let us get into it, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly which niches are making $5,000, $10,000, even $20,000 per month. You will see real channels, real examples, and I'll show you the biggest mistake beginners make when choosing a niche. And trust me, that one mistake is why most channels never grow. So stay with me, because one of these niches could become your first real income online. Niche 1, food explainer. Most people ignore this niche, and that is exactly why it works. There is less competition, less noise, and more opportunity. There are channels in this space with no face, no host, just faceless content. In the last few months, they got hundreds of thousands, even millions of views, making serious money. And look at this. One video alone can reach massive views just by explaining a simple food story. No personality, no branding, just well-made content. Now pause for a second, think about that. Millions of people watching without knowing who created it. That is the power of faceless content. Now here's the key. You don't need to be a chef, you just need good storytelling. If your videos feel interesting, people will watch even if they don't care about cooking. And here's what's interesting. Most creators still haven't figured this out, which means the space is still wide open. Niche 2, cars. Now this niche is one of the easiest ways to go viral, and here's why. There is a channel called Vintage Vehicles. Simple videos about famous cars from movies. No face, no personality, just storytelling and visuals. In just 1 year, over 13 million views. That is massive growth. But here's what makes this powerful. They didn't do anything complicated. No new idea, no complex editing. They took something people already love, movies and cars, and combined them. Now think about this. Thousands of movies, thousands of iconic cars, endless content ideas, and every video follows the same structure. That is the real advantage. You don't need to be creative every time. You just need a system that works. Most people try to reinvent everything. Smart creators find a format and repeat it. That is how you grow faster. Niche 3, finance. Now this next niche is on another level. If I had to start again today, I would pick this one. There is a channel called Nick Invest, started 8 months ago. Simple videos, clear explanations. Now making around $10,000.9 per month. But here's where it gets interesting. Another channel copied the exact same format, same style, same structure. Started 2 months ago, already making around $3,000 per month. Think about that. They didn't innovate, they replicated, and it worked. This is not luck. This is a system. And this niche is one of the highest paying on YouTube. Plus, they don't just make AdSense, they attract sponsors, which means even more income. Niche 4, economy. Now, let us take this further. Think of this like finance, but storytelling. A channel called Established Context, with 11 million views, still makes around $3,000 monthly. Here's the difference. They don't need millions of views, because each view pays more. In this niche, quality beats quantity. Another example, Epic Economists, with more than 120 million views, and this is evergreen content. Videos you post today can make money for years. Niche 5, space. Now this one is all about audience psychology. There are channels focused on space scenarios, no connection to it, just storytelling. And it gets millions of views in a very short time. And they are making around $52,000 per month. This is crazy. Now here's the secret. These videos use fear, curiosity, and suspense. And that changes everything. Because when someone feels something, they don't watch one video. They stay until the end. Imagine floating in space, everything is silent, and then something feels wrong. That is what keeps people watching. And here's the opportunity. You don't need real footage. You just need perspective. If you understand how to trigger emotion, you win. Niche 6, wealth. You have definitely seen these videos before. Luxury, billionaires, expensive lifestyles, private jets, mansions, crazy lifestyles, and they get a lot of attention. There are channels in this space posting just once a week, still making around $2,000 per month. Sounds good already. But here's where it gets interesting. Another channel took the exact same idea, but made it more specific. Instead of talking about everything, they focused only on royalty, kings, queens, royal families. Same concept, same type of content, but more targeted. Now they're making around $7,000 per month. Same effort, but way better results. And this is the key most people miss. Going broader doesn't help you grow. Going more specific does. Because when your content is focused, it connects better. And when it connects better, it performs better. Focus always beats broad. Niche 7, military. This is one of those niches that just never goes away. It is evergreen. There are channels in this space making around $2,000 per month. Others making around $8,000. Same topic, but very different results. So what's the difference? It comes down to positioning, but more importantly, depth. This niche doesn't reward shortcuts. If you stay on the surface, you'll get replaced. But if you go deeper, explain things clearly, tell better, stronger stories. You start to build real authority. And once you have that, growth becomes a lot more predictable. Niche 8, farmer stories. This might be one of the most emotional niches here, and it's growing fast. There are channels creating simple story-based content about farmers. Stories of struggle, failure, and comeback. And they are getting around $24,000 monthly. Now here is something most people miss. People don't just watch these videos, they feel them, which means higher retention and stronger engagement. For example, a farmer loses everything, is treated unfairly, and years later comes back successful. That transformation keeps people watching until the end. And here's the best part. This niche is evergreen. Stories always work, and every story can be recreated with a plain, different angle. You don't need actors, you don't need filming. Just a strong script, simple visuals, and a good voice. Niche 9, women's fashion. Now, most people completely ignore this niche. And honestly, that's a big mistake. There are channels out there targeting women over 50 with just faceless content and super simple content. They are still making around $9,000 per month, which is crazy when you think about it. But here's where it gets interesting. You don't need to come up with new ideas. You can take the same format, use it in a different language, and suddenly you have way less competition. Same content, same structure, same results. You are not reinventing anything. You are just adapting what already works. And that's what makes this niche so powerful. Niche 10, mega builds. Finally, this niche really changes the way you look at YouTube. We are talking about massive construction, engineering, architecture. There are channels in this space with over 400 million views, are making around $10,000 per month. And even smaller channels are already pulling in thousands. So what is the real advantage here? It is simple. This niche has evergreen demand. People never get tired of watching how things are built, which means your videos don't just perform once. They keep getting views over time. Some videos can keep bringing traffic for years and keep making money repeatedly. Therefore, this isn't just content. You are building a system that keeps working for you. Most people treat YouTube like a lottery. Post, hope, repeat. But the real game is different. Pick the right niche, stay consistent, and think long term. Every channel you saw today started from zero. All right, if you were wondering which niche is the easiest, the cars niche, simple format, endless ideas, easy to replicate, and fastest entry point. Now, I want to know, which niche are you choosing? Comment below. Pick one. Start today. Because the sooner you start, the faster you grow. And if you want to see how AI can help you create content fast, watch the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you there.